Hi, my name is Lucas, and I'm a co-founder here at Salesboost. I'll be walking you through the app setup so you can start generating more revenue today. First, let's go ahead and select Salesboost as the active post-purchase app. You can click on the Select button for step 2 on your dashboard page. You should now be on your settings page. Let's select Salesboost as the active app to ensure your customers see your upsell offers. Don't forget to click Save on the top right. Great, now let's go create your first funnel. A funnel lets you decide what upsell product to show to your customer based on the products they've just bought. Back on the dashboard page, click on the Create button for step 3. This will automatically create a new funnel for you and bring you to the funnel page. Nice, you've created your first funnel. Right now, Trigger Products is set to All Products, meaning the upsell offer will be shown for an order with any product in it. If you only want to show the offer when specific products are purchased, you can always edit this funnel later on the Funnels tab and choose Products or a Trigger collection. Now, let's choose the upsell product we want to show the customer after they've checked out. Click on Upsell Product and choose any product from your store. Save your changes by hitting the Save button at the top right. Let's edit the offer details and design by clicking on the Edit Offer and Page Design button. This page shows you what your customer will see after they've checked out. Feel free to edit the discount amount and choose either a percentage or a fixed amount in your store's currency. You can also add an additional shipping charge. If you've made any changes on this page, let's hit Save at the top right and head back to our funnel by clicking on the back arrow at the top left. The last step now is to enable our funnel. Let's click on Enable at the top of the funnel page. That's it. You set up your first funnel and will start generating more revenue on your store. You can always click on the Funnels tab in the navigation bar to create more funnels, to edit your funnels, or to change their priority. You can check in on how the app is performing for your store by clicking on Analytics in the navigation bar. We hope you'll enjoy Salesboost, and we'll always be here to help out if you need it. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions at support@getsalesboost.com.